Hello and welcome, supporters and patrons and members and Floatplane subs and wherever else you might be watching this. This is an RTX 4070. I just used this in a video I just filmed. I have not unboxed this yet. We're going to do a which RTX 4070 should you buy. I thought about filming separate unboxings of these and posting them, but I don't know. In 2023, unboxing videos seem kind of meh. So we're going to do something fun. We are going to let just a handful of you see this. This video card is an RTX 4070. I know you can all be shocked, but what's interesting about this is it is a special edition with Spider-Man branding and a whole bunch of goodies in the box. It is $50 more expensive than the standard card. This one retails, at least in the US, for $650, whereas the non-Spider-Man version retails for $599. What do you get for the $50? A Spider-Man box. No, you get more than that. In fact, I'll just go ahead and put that right down there. This is a very low-effort video because only 100 of you are going to watch this. So, wow, that's actually pretty cool. Power the hero in you. That's pretty nifty. That's kind of cool branding. So the thing is, you guys all know what a 4070 is by this point. You wouldn't be watching this if you didn't, I hope. Ooh, that's fancy. So there is a special magnetic cover for the video card, branded Spider-Man and their Spider-Man stickers, and a whole bunch more. So that's pretty cool. There are magnets. You don't have to use this, but there are magnets on the back. It looks like 8 magnets holding it on, and of course, obviously the space for the airflow. That's pretty neat. And then you've got, is that a 12 stickers? Spider-Man stickers. Across the Spider-Verse, exclusively in cinemas. Oh, I know, it's pretty cool. If we take the foam off, we get, you get the standard love the power gaming within. This feels like the most boring thing ever. Oh dear goodness. This is a really fancy anti-static bag. And all that's in here, I stand corrected. I'm opening this with you. This is just your standard, here's how a video card works. Love gaming, power within, Zotac cup moments, marketing, nothing special. More you need to know, this is just your standard Zotac, here's how a video card installs. GPU power connection installation, GPU support stand quick guide. Now these are helpful if you don't do this a lot. This will let you know what's in here. There is a stand, because these things are heavy as, well, this isn't too heavy. The 4080s and the 4090s are heavy. The 4070 is not too bad. And this is how to connect your GPU 16-pin power connector so it doesn't burst into flames. Accessory installation guide. Fan emblems. Oh, so that's... I see, said the blind man who picked up his hammer and saw. These are for the fans. Fan emblem installation. This is so you can customize the look of your fans. That's pretty cool. Magnetic backplate installation. Insert the magnetic backplate onto the back of your video card. Well, thank goodness they told me how magnets work. In case you're 11. There is a goodie bag of more stuff in here. This is pretty cool. Now I almost kind of wish I was making this as a standard video, but that would be silly. I don't know. You let me know in the comments below if this really should have been a standard video. Of course, you guys are all supporters. You're like, no, more custom content. Oh, now is that more than one? You know, if you don't care about Spider-Man, if you don't care about this stuff, obviously don't spend the extra $50 for the Spider-Man version. I have kids. My kids like Spider-Man. I needed a 4070. I was doing a comparison. I thought, I'll spend the extra, get this, and do a video out of it. Who knows? Maybe you guys will appreciate it. Those are some really nice, glossy. Look, I've seen a lot of cheap stickers over the years. A sticker? It's a photograph. That almost looked like a printed film. Normal pictures that used to have developed onto photographic paper. Those don't feel like stickers. They don't have a peel. These are really nice. These are stickers. Okay, those are stickers. Those are really nice. And then there is Zotac. Not a Spider-Man thing. This, why? Oh, good Lord. I'm having fun. I hope you guys are having fun too. More stickers? Spider-Gwen, Spider-Man, Spider-Man 2099. Shiny. Can you see the reflection? These are thick stickers. They did a decent job with those. And then we've got a... Ooh. These are stickers as well. 4 of them. Power the Hero in You. 2 different Power the Hero in You stickers. So this one is Spider-Gwen, and that is... I don't know my Spider-Mans well enough. I'm sorry. I'm Team Iron Man. I can tell you all about the different marks of Iron Man suits. This is for my kids. Those are pretty cool. Power the Hero in You, and then Zotac Gaming and Spider-Man. And these are decently thick and very nice and shiny too. More goodies. Ooh. We've got... What in the world? 3 designs. Storm. Oh, it's supposed to be Storm, but with a Z because Zotac. Zorm as Spider-Man, Zorm as Spider-Gwen, and Zorm as Spider-Man 2099. That other one must have been Spider-Man 2099. Power the Hero in You. Well, we have to see what's in here, don't we? Sorry, kids, I'm opening all your cool stuff. How does this open? I don't want to break it. Oh, okay. Oh. That's interesting. It's a surprise. Is that Spider-Gwen? That look, excuse me, Storm is, whatever. So that's interesting. What is this? Open that up. There's a little hook there. And this is... It says Zotac Gaming on the bottom, and then on this side, it's... Oh, I think that fits... Does that fit in the foot? It looks like it fits in the foot. That looks like it should fit in the foot. I'm going to make that fit in the foot. That wouldn't fit anywhere else. Come on, go in the foot. Where does this go? That looks like it hooks on the back. I could look at the pictures or instructions. Ooh, okay, I get it. That looks like it belongs... I'm not 12. I am being held back by my adultness. That definitely is supposed to go. So there's a peg on the bottom of this, and there's a hole in 1 foot. You know what? It doesn't matter. You guys all get the point. I'm gonna give this to my kids. They can play with it, do whatever. It's all good. That is very cool. What else do we have? PCI Express power cables. This isn't the Spider-Man stuff, but I'll just go ahead and show you. This is a dual 8-pin to a single 16-pin adapter if you need one for your computer, which I will, because this will end up going into one of my kids' computers. I'm probably going to replace my 13-year-old son has an he has an RTX 3080 10 gig card. I'm going to replace it with this because this is marginally faster and has 12 gigs of VRAM and uses less power and makes less heat, and it's Spider-Man branded. This is that riser adapter, GPU support bracket that I mentioned earlier. There's a video card in here too, by the way. But you guys know what a video card looks like. Yes, I will pull it out and show it to you. Now this is nice. This is a tote bag and it's real canvas. This is not plastic. It's nice material. I would use this. Well, my wife will use this. That's a nice little, like, for going to the beach or going to the pool. That's really nice. I don't know how washable it is because this is, it's basically, it's not an iron-on decal, but it might be an iron-on decal. And if so, this would never survive the washing machine. And if so, that's a shame because a canvas bag should be able to go in the washing machine. Yeah, it's vinyl on the back too. Marvel and all related character names and Marvel 2023 Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. The movie, copyright 2023. SPAI. Sony Pictures Animation Incorporated. That's cool. So that's a very nice canvas tote bag. I just don't think that's very washable, unfortunately. Oh, hey, look, we also have an RTX 4070. Go figure. See, you buy a $650 tote bag and a bunch of other nonsense, and you get a free video card. Ta-da! It's a Zotac video. Ooh, that's a nice strip across the top. There's, oh, it's magnetic to the screw. That's clever. Okay. Can we do a single piece peel? No, because it's not a single piece of plastic. That's okay. Can we peel each piece off as a single piece? Yeah. Almost. Now what's cool, check out the gold. That is pretty, is that gold or silver? That looks gold. Maybe it's just in this light. That's a nice looking card. Fans are smooth. And as you can see, there's no labeling on the fans themselves because that's what those stickers are. That's what these stickers are for, is to put your customized sticker in the center. That's very cool. And if you look on the back, no Spider-Man, but Spider-Man. That was easy. Super easy, barely an inconvenience. So, yeah, that just magnetic. That is really, yeah, that's also a secure magnet too. That's not coming off. That's nice. That fits, here, let me hold it up the way you're gonna see it. That fits very, very nicely, completely trouble-free, and if you want to take it off, you can. Does it have a piece of whatchamahoo's it on it? You know what? I'll bet you it does look like it does. Does this have... It feels like it's got plastic on it, but it doesn't... I don't see an edge to peel it off. Well, that's pretty cool. That fits on there really, really nicely. And, of course, it's a standard Zotac 4070. Big cooler, too. This is heavier. I've previously tested the MSI triple fan Ventus card, and it is way lighter than this. This thing is much bigger in terms of cooler, the metal, the thickness, the fans. That Zotac card was $599. This is $650. I think you can get this same card for less than $650 without the Spider-Man stuff, but even if there was no Spider-Man stuff included, versus the Ventus card, I like this. I do. It's got all the ports in the back. Take these out. I found another Easter egg. Wait, is that Zotack's logo? Oh, darn it. I thought that was a Spider-Man. When I saw this on the end here, I was like, oh, is there a Spider-Man logo right on the card? I don't think so. No, that's Zotack. That was going to be really cool if there was Spider-Man on the back. So whether or not you care about this, it's interesting. I do think that video cards in general are boring. I would love to see more customized cards, more branded cards. There are so many different IPs that could be put onto video cards. People like this stuff. I mean, there's a reason why licensing and branding is a thing. How come there aren't more video cards like this? Anyway, thank you all so much for supporters of the channel. Hopefully this is a interesting, fun side diversion video for you guys, as unscripted and uncut and untrimmed as it gets. Unless there's anything, I think this is going to be a single one-take video. I don't think there's anything that has to be trimmed or cut in here for you guys, which I don't do very often anymore. Thanks so much for watching. I would say like, comment, and subscribe, but you are already subscribed, so that would be kind of silly. Let me know in the comment section below what other fun, interesting, exclusive videos you would all like to see. Have a wonderful, awesome day.